Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am fine. And how about you?
Yes, sir. I am also good. Actually, I got stuck that day with my work, but meanwhile, I was doing that Terra climate extraction that I could do however you suggested me. I could insert a polygon there, and I found one code set at GitHub, and that worked. So I was working meanwhile with that for extracting rainfall and temperature data.
Okay, kindly share the screen. I will check.
Yes, sir. So, sir, this was the issue which is happening with me. Yeah, my screen is shared, right? I'll just open
Yes.
my ArcGIS now. I have put the map here. See, here for few for few years, the images are very blurred, filled with all these lines. Because of this, the value of surface water volume is also like fluctuating a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, so how can we remove that this one? I checked one this code at GitHub only using that focal length and all people were doing, but that did not work with my code.
Okay, so you can simply share the spin. Basically, your code is spin code.
Okay, okay,
Google
one
Teams.
second. Yes, sir. This is the code screen, but right now that code is not here. But I can show you that code, which I was trying to work with. Here now that code is not here. I can show you one of my friends. Yeah, one second. Yeah, sorry sir, that meeting got disconnected by mistake.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yeah, here is the code I was trying to. I will share my screen first and then I'll show you. Yes, sir. This was the code I was trying. This especially from here to here. This one second. Cloud cover polygon. Yes, one second, sir. Yes, sir, this was the code I was trying to work with. This one, this variable
Yeah,
image.
focal mean. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But how I can put this here? It was not working for my this thing.
Okay, so now put again.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, simply open your image.
Uh, image.
Basically, your
Okay.
image variable name. Image variable name.
Image variable name is here, sir. Say 2015. Here
Hmm.
variables. Yeah.
And basically, which image we face this type of problem? These years.
Say for 2009 here in ArcGIS, if we see it is happening for year of 2009 in pre-monsoon, and it is happening in a lot of like images for a post-monsoon also. For few months, for few years, it was happening. Not this much, but this is like a lot. That day I sent you one that was the screenshot of post-monsoon. So
So
that was for
2009.
2007. 2000, that was 2007. 2007 8, and this is 2009 image.
Okay. Okay, so now visualize the 2009 image on Google Earth Engine.
Okay, yes sir, here it is.
Just run the code and then check what happened for the 2009.
Huh.
It show about that scale line or not. Okay.
Yes sir, here I could not see, but when I was taking this image to Google, sorry, there in ArcGIS, there only I could find that. Here maybe also, maybe I can change the visualization of this layer, and then maybe. Should I change the visualization of this layer, or from here only I took that to
It also
ArcGIS?
possible also from here the layers button.
Okay,
You can
okay.
see the
One second.
layers.
This is for 2011. First, I will do it for say 2000. This is 2009. It was happening for 2007 also. So I will try with 9 first. 2009. Yeah.
And also open the layer, map.add layer. Basically,
Yeah. Here. Yeah. This. First, I should uncheck all these, and
yeah.
then only 2009 I will keep that.
So just click on the custom.
Acha,
One
yes.
band is okay. One band is okay. One band is okay. One band. Click the
One
one
band
band.
and custom. Okay. I'll stretch it
98%.
to 90.
Then accept the
Yes.
plated. Click on the plated.
Huh.
And okay, so it
Yes.
already add the color. So apply. Apply.
Yes. Apply. Yes.
So now you can get this type of visualization. And now zoom this map. Did it show
Okay.
the any kind of scale line error or not? Did you
Yes,
find
sir.
any?
Here it is. Yes, sir. Here it is like. Let it get zoomed. Yeah. Here.
Okay, so if you want to use the focal mean, then what happen? You check about that. Because now we try to
Yes.
add the focal mean and then try to check this type of line is showing or not. Okay. So for
Okay.
adding the focal mean, we are just write the code. Simply go to the your image.
Here variable image, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we are
Image
doing.
image 2009. You can see image 2009.
Image 2009. Yes, sir. Here. Yeah.
Image 2009. After
Yeah.
that, you can simply put here the code.
Uh,
After the
this
mosaic. After the mosaic. After the mosaic,
after the mosaic here.
put dot focal mean.
Okay.
Dot
Okay.
focal mean.
Dot. Sorry. Sorry. Dot focal mean. M should be capital.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir.
focal mean. Then put the bracket
Yes, sir.
and write here 1
One. Okay.
comma spire.
Uh,
Yeah, put the
small.
parenthesis. Okay, I send you the yeah. So just can copy and then paste here.
Okay. This one.
Yeah.
Square 8. Okay.
So now just it's okay. So now try to run the code again and then
Yes.
check what happened now. It doing or not. It we
Yes.
can also implement. So now first check the result about it.
Okay.
So just only open the 2009 image in AWI. Other layers simply uncheck.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only 2009 is
So
on.
now open zoom again.
Yes, sir. Here it is.
It's still showing some line. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for that, okay. Try to open your NDWI map for 2009. This variable. Mainly your variable
NDWI.
name. Yeah. 2009. Open this variable.
Okay, okay. 1 second. Yes, sir. NDWI 2009 is here.
Okay. Okay, so after the bracket, last bracket, just use
Yes,
the same code. Dot focal mean 1 is 10 square pixel ID.
from here, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So you paste the 2008. Check again properly your variable name. You put the image 2008
Oh, sorry, sir. I will first
and
check with this one.
yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
So now try again.
I will first check with, yeah. That is why maybe it
Uh,
did not work. Yeah, sorry. I will first do here.
Now try again.
Uh, dot focal name, yeah. Yes, now it is 2009 and here also 2009. Yeah.
So now try to check.
Right. And then I will uncheck other layers. Yeah.
And also click on the visualization stressing that. Then we also get the more better result.
Okay.
2009, yeah, yeah. Click on here. You click the 2011. The 2009 layer visual parameter and then can close it. Close it,
Yes,
close.
sir.
On the
Yes, sir.
close.
But why is it showing
And
11? Here it is 9.
9.
Here, 9 now
Yeah, yeah.
visualization.
So now stressing 98%.
Yes, sir. Like
Now apply.
one band grayscale, no sir?
Yeah, one band. And
One
now
98%.
one band, one band, only one band.
One band, then 98%.
Click on the plated
Yeah, okay. It is
and now,
there. The colors are there. I
so now
simply import.
apply.
Yeah.
Now check the result of visualization. Is it show any kind of line or I hope now it's not.
Okay.
I think it's okay, and you can also get the more better result. You just decrease the value. Suppose in this time we put here the 8.
Yes,
So you
sir.
can put here the 3 or 2. Then
Okay.
it also more better result you can get from here because it's depend on your line gap. Suppose your line gap is more, this distance is more, then we also increase the value. Then this time your line distance is not much more, so that's why it's okay for the 3 to 1 is okay.
Okay. So if the line gap is less, we have to put less this
Yes, yes,
value.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. If the line
I
gap
will.
is, then you put it. And this problem only occurred for the Landsat 7 images. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. Because that Landsat only failed. So I think because we have previously only we have merged all the three Landsat
Yeah,
images and then we have made a
yeah,
image collection. So we are not able to like extract the information like which Landsat image is
yeah, yeah,
coming in which image. Yeah,
yeah.
that is why. That is why I am assuming that it is from Landsat 7. Yeah. So one custom 90.
Yeah, now apply. Yeah. So now it's on.
Yes, sir. Now I cannot see. So it will be like this. Can you just give me a minute? I will quickly just copy it and put it in ArcGIS so I can just see there.
Okay.
Yeah, just 1 minute. So is it fine now? Is it like, can you see from there in my screen? The
Okay.
lines are
Some small line also showing. So if you try to use that 5 or 6, okay, then you also get more better.
okay,
So you can see
5,
some
6.
line will show about, or 8 is also okay,
Yes.
no problem. Put the 8 and try to check.
Okay, 8. Okay.
Ah. So now try to export and then check.
Okay.
Click on the task tab and now export.
Yes, sir. I will just run this one. So like this was for one district. If I am finding it for other districts, I have to just
Same.
put for that district this code, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I guess sir 8 is relatively better. Now I
Yeah,
cannot see.
yeah.
Yeah, now I cannot see many more. So what this is actually doing, this is just blurring all the lines using the mean value.
Yeah.
Sir, this it is okay. I guess this image will only come in ArcGIS. This time is actually getting increased. So if it this does not work for any district, I can change this value
Yeah, yeah,
one. So till what number I can take it till 8.
yeah.
Okay, okay. So I will just check there. I hope the here I cannot see any lines. I think it
I
is
hope it also
blurred.
okay for that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Then I will do it in ArcGIS once it gets like
Okay.
downloaded in Drive, because this time is increasing now. 6 minutes now it has become.
Okay.
Yeah, if I find that difficulty, I will send you the screenshot. And
Okay.
if this does not work, what you were saying, I can try this code here in the NDWI image also.
Okay, so basically NDWI image is not need because NDWI image come from this image which you already put in here.
Yeah, so
Okay, so
it
for
is
that
not
you
needed.
also increasing the value, suppose 10 and then check. Okay, so if
Oh,
you put the 10 and then try to check again.
okay, sir. I will do it. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.